$17,000 in a single day with one product using Facebook ads. Let's see how you can find such products that can do 15K, 20K, 30K, or even higher with this product research method. If you know the rituals, here are the numbers. As you can see, 16.986, almost 17K on 22nd of June. Let me just do a quick refresh check. As you can see, and also if I can show you for the month of June, we did around 300K in sales. So yeah, these are the numbers. Now let's jump into the product research method that I'm talking about. So the tool that I use for doing this product research is WinningHunter. I've tried out a lot of tools, but recently this tool stands out in terms of filters and in terms of functionality and feature it has. Before you even do your product research, I want you to have right mindset for picking the products. That's why I've created this sheet for you to understand, okay, what type of products you should pick. So you'll see a lot of checklist option over here, but most importantly, you need to understand that the type of product you're picking should be problem solving product. So I have seen a lot of people just picking out random product. And the thing is, you can make like few $1,000s profit with these type of products, but if the product is not adding value to people's life, if the product is not solving any problem, the thing is that it will eventually die within few days or months. But if you pick a problem solving product, for example, like product that is solving knee pain problem, right? Or maybe arthritis problem, maybe like back pain problem. So the problem is huge. So if you are providing solution to a great problem or maybe an older problem, but you're providing a solution in a new way, that's when people will find the perceived value. Because if someone is suffering from knee problem or let's say arthritis, they'll go to doctors like orthopedic doctors. And the thing is, they will invest like huge amount of money in terms of their treatment and everything, right? Thousands and thousands of dollars. Whereas, let's say they are just scrolling their Facebook and they see your product that is actually helping in terms of relief from their pain and all, and it is costing like in a fraction of what they are actually paying right now. In that case, they will definitely buy a product because the value is really high. That's why the perceived value is high. And these are the type of product you should basically sell, okay? That are adding value to someone's life, because then you can sell these products for years and years. Because for any sort of problem, we have seen this, especially like pain problems or something that is providing any shortcuts or adding value to people's life or fulfilling a deep desire. If you find these type of products, you'll see that, okay, people will do impulse purchase. Now let's jump to the tool part. Let's see how it works, what type of filters I use, what type of products that I pick, and then what are the things that I look for, especially when I shortlist my products, okay? So you will see in this sheet, like there is product name, then number of active ads for the product, page creation date, then there are specific filter, like what makes it unique. That is very important thing. And then you will see filters like break-even ROAS, whether the product is a problem-solving product, whether it has a high perceived value. And not only this, you will find that, okay, what high perceived value means. Okay, so this is the information over here, right? And similarly, you will see a lot of different things like whether the market size of the product is 1 million plus or not. Yeah, you'll see a lot of checkbox, and ultimately you will give us total score. And this will help you to basically shortlist the top product that you have added, right? So that's why this research process can take like few hours, but you will find the top-notch products. And this method, like I would say, it has been absolutely working for me. I have found many winners with this process. Now come the part which I love the most about this tool, the filters. So what you have to do is go to Facebook ads section, and then over here, what you have to do, you have to apply these filters. Number one, country, I would go with USA only. The reason is that with this filter, you will be able to run ads if you're targeting US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, right? And you can also take these products to European market. The thing is, for US, whenever I add this filter, I find the latest products, because every new dropshipping product is launched first in US and then rest of the market. Okay, so this is first thing. Then language, I would go with English. These are the filters I normally don't go with. And then this is something I would recommend you to add as no downscaling. Media type, I like to go with videos. I mean, if you are totally into home decor or fashion niche, then you can go with images as well, but I would probably go with this. And then there is this interesting filter with WinningHunter. So over here, you can basically choose your niche. You can see like, okay, you have a lot of niche. So let's say if you have already existing store in a particular niche, then in that case, you can easily like select that filter and find product in your niche. But here comes the most important part. These two filters: ad creation date and last seen date. And I would recommend you to pay more attention when I add these filters. So for example, what I would do here is I would pick a window of last 20-25 days, but I would not select the last 7 days over here. For example, I would go with 8th of July, and then I would go with 5th of August. So today is 13th of August. So I'm leaving this 1 week window over here. The reason is that I want to pick products that are proven to work. So if a product is launched within the last like 2 days, 3 days, or last 2-3 days, last even like 4-5 days, you don't know whether it's working or not. Maybe the competitor is just testing it out. But if it is older than like 7 days and it is still active, that means that the ad is profitable. It is doing well for the competitor. That's why they are still running it. That's why the ad's creation date is for the last like 20-25 days, but not the last 1 week. Okay, that is one thing. And then last seen date. What I would do over here is last seen date would be from this to this window. So last 1 week. And this will help you to pick products that are profitable. And that is something that you'll see over here. So when I click on this thing, you will see this sign, green sign, which means that the WinningHunter is telling you that the ad score is winning. Why? Because it's running more than 7 days. And that happened because we added this filter of ad creation date and last seen date. And now you will see some of the good products over here. So for example, like this product, to be honest, these are the products that I would recommend you guys to avoid. The thing is, I mean, you can sell it, but is it adding any value to people's life, or is it solving any sort of problem? Do you think you can run this product for 6-7 months, or let's say for 1 year? No, right? The thing is, product itself looks good. Like maybe it's a new product. It has some wow factor in it for sure. And you can make like few $1,000s profit maybe with this because they are running it for 7 days. It means that the audience is liking it. But the thing is, they don't have a good shelf life. Like you cannot come up with like great creative ideas later on to run this product for months. So that's why I would avoid it. Next, let's see this one. The thing is, this product has a good wow factor. And although it's not solving a huge problem, but the thing is, you need to think that, okay, whether it is helping or like fulfilling deep desire of someone, for women, it can help. Okay, so this can be a potential product, but I still would go with really good high problem solving products. So I personally look for products that are having like high perceived value of the problem solved. Understand this part. So as I mentioned before, like if it is about knee pain or arthritis, whenever you find a good product, try to think as a customer of that product. For example, let's say if you find something around like knee brace or like knee pain reliever, let's say you are a customer, you are having a knee pain and you are in pain for, let's say, last 6-7 months, last 1 year, and then think about like how much money you spend, let's say orthopedic doctors and all other treatments that you do, you spend thousands of dollars, and it's not only about the time, it's also about the money that you're spending, and still you are in pain. Then you see this type of product which is providing some sort of relief, and it just costs you a fraction of money compared to what you are actually spending. So will you purchase it or not? Whenever you see a product, think what customer would think about it. Okay, behave like a customer. Okay, then understand their suffering. If you need help, you can use ChatGPT to understand what problem your customer are facing, like, or maybe for the product, like what are the potential customer, what are the issues they are facing, and all of this thing. Like you can do a research about it. But this is the most important part, guys. Like, cannot stress this enough, but people don't focus on this. Like especially beginners, they don't focus on the most important part is understanding your customers and doing research on your customers, understanding their problem, understanding their deep desire, and then understanding how this product or the product that you have found is actually helping them. So what is the perceived value of the problem solved? For example, back pain, right? Huge value if solved, okay, versus the cost of the product. Let's say you're suffering from back pain and you see this back stretcher. What if you think, okay, this product can solve my problem? It'll save thousands and thousands of dollars. It'll save your time that you basically spend in like going and meeting like all the doctors and all, and it is just costing you fraction of what you pay. Will you purchase it? These type of product you should pick. Okay, so now let's quickly jump into it again. These kitchen product, I mean, you can do some numbers, but to be honest, they don't have like really high perceived value. So this product is actually solving problem. It has some wow factor as well, and it is helping and saving time for people. But then again, there is a filter in this sheet you will see, which is whether the product has 3x margin or not. And I feel like this product don't have that much margin. So I would probably look for some other products as well. Let's see. Okay, so just after scrolling for a few seconds, I found this winning product. You can see like this is a 2-minute video over here, and it is focusing on like people over 40-50 years, I guess. So here is a quick tip. If you can sell something to moms or like 40 plus women, you will get consistent sales. The thing is, they have money, they have spare time, and they have problems. That is the important thing. So this niche, this market, this audience is really good. Like 40 plus women, really good audience, and they have good money, they have good spare time to like just scroll on Facebook, Instagram, and this product clearly show that how it's solving the problem. So definitely this is going in my list, and I'm pretty sure that they have a good funnel structure, like good page and everything. Yeah, so this is a great page, and they have launched their ad July 29th and last seen 22 hours ago. So this is a great product. Like 2 weeks ago they launched it, and thing is, the product is not launched 2 weeks ago, it's the creative that is launched, but still they are running it. It means that the creative is good, which means definitely that the product is also good. I would definitely add this into my list. I would just add that. Okay, I would add the link of the website as well, so that I have track record of everything. And then we'll see number of active ads for the product. So how you can check that? That's a good part of WinningHunter. You can click on this and then click on page ad library. Then you will be able to see the number of active ads. So 58 active ads, which is really good. And thing is, they are basically targeting a lot of different type of audience avatar, and they have done customer segmentation as well. You can see the customer avatar over here is like, I think 50 plus men. But I think, yeah, in the video, it's different. So yeah, definitely check the videos. What I will do is, so it's 58. So I'll just add this part. If it is greater than like 25, then it's a very good sign that they have good amount of active ads for the product. Means that they are in the scaling phase. Okay, page creation date. So I'll just check this part from going to about section. And then this is the page creation date. I'll just add it over here. By the way, guys, if you have not watched my free product research process and video, just check over here, and there I have talked about why we use number of active ads and page creation. Okay, similarly we'll add more information over here, like what makes it unique, and other information like AliExpress link and everything. But the most important part are these checkpoints. So if you are able to answer this and you see the overall score is really good, then it's a good product to go with. And yeah, let's get back to the process. More products over here. Yeah, this one is really good because it's focusing on kids. Kids is a really good market because parents, they spend a lot on kids product. Is it actually solving a problem? Yes. Is it having a good wow factor? Yes. And definitely check all the other pointers, market size, whether it's above 1 million, because if the market size is above 1 million, it means that you can scale it to like $1 million and above easily. Yeah, it means the market size is huge and you can even run it for months and months to come rather than like just for 1 month and then it's a dead product. This is a wow factor product, can do well, but I don't really go with these products. Shapewear products, I like them because the thing is, millions of people are actually struggling from excessive weight, but they want to look slim, right? They want to look good. Problem is massive. Perceived value is very high for any product that is providing a solution for it. So basically it's providing a huge value. Product cost is really less. So yeah, this is a good product. Let's see which one is this. This comes into the desire part. Okay, how good the product is in terms of solving the desire. So probably I can add that as well. This could be a good product depending on how big the market is. This is again another thing. You need to check, okay, whether the product market size is really good enough or not. Okay, if it is above 1 million plus or not. Also, one more tip, always try to find products for which you can ride the trend. Okay, if you are seeing a product that has recently started trending, like how you can check the trend, you can go over Google Trends and search for the term, like the big term, like you can search for the product name or you can search for the value that it is providing or the problem that people are facing related with this product. So basically understanding the trend of the overall product, if there is a possible trend for this product or not. And if you're able to catch this, definitely prioritize that product that is catching the trend. So let's say there is a new movie coming in and then you see a product that is very much related with that movie. So that is what I'm talking about. Like if the hype of the movie is really good, then you should basically prioritize that product. So this is one of the example of that. But yeah, this product looks really good. So yeah, women, they are really good shoppers. So really good market. Second, it's a good alternative of heating method to get curly hairs. That's why it's providing a good value. What makes it unique? Like this is the feature that makes it unique, right? And that is why I think this can be a good winner. Just check the margins, whether you can sell it for 3x margins or not. But yeah, they are running it for more than 7 days, it means that it has a good value. But yeah, this is the research process, like exactly like this. I found my winners. I do my research like this, and I have found a lot of winners using this process. Another good thing that I like about WinningHunter is that it has a sales tracker. Now I know that sales tracker are not absolutely correct. All the sales tracker out there, they are not 100% correct. But the thing is, I have checked my stores using WinningHunter sales tracker, and it gives really good approximate of what we are doing. So I would say like it gives you a lower end. So you can say that, okay, that whatever number here it's showing, the store is doing higher than that. So all you have to do is just paste the competitor link over here and you get an estimate. And that is a solid proof that the product is doing really well. That is another thing. And also I like this tool called Magic AI inside WinningHunter. What it does is like you just have to give a screenshot of product image, whatever data you have. Like you can even search with the product name, or you can give it image, and it will give you all the competitors that are running ads. And it's really good to see like how many competitors are there, whether the product is running for a long time or not. If it is running for a long time, many competitors have jumped in, and it relates with the fact that you have to ride the trend. And if you are at the start of the trend, that is the best time, which means like if you see less competition, that is a really good sign. All you have to do is just click on this, add an image, and you will find all the competitor. And that is a great thing. You can also watch this tutorial over here, and that is a great part about this tool. And also they have a good chat support. So not only this, you will see the TikTok ad section as well. So if you are into TikTok ads, if you run TikTok ads, that is also a great option. So yeah, all in all, I would highly recommend this tool because I have seen that it has one of the biggest library of Facebook ads, and I have found a lot of winning product using it. So that's a great thing. So I would highly recommend this tool. Just keep in mind to have a right mindset for doing product research, how to pick good products rather than picking crappy products. Another thing, it is possible that average products are doing good sales, like showing this winning sign, but that doesn't mean that you have to pick a product, because there are chances like the product quality is not good and you will see a lot of refunds. It is possible that for a few days you'll see very good sales, but after that you have to again do it. Think about long term. Think about long-term building brands. Think about building a brand or building something sustainable that you can run for a few months at least. And I would recommend picking a product for which you can come up with new creative ideas, come up with new marketing angles, and also products that can run for months and you can build a niche around it and you can have audience, and ultimately you can like do packaging, maybe improve the product and stand out in the market. These are things that you should focus on. So have a right mindset of the product as well, rather than just picking some like kitchen product or let's say some very simple products. So I would recommend you to avoid this. But yeah, at the end, like this tool is really good. The thing is that it has a huge library as well. And I would say like definitely if you want to invest into one tool, invest into it. The thing is, once you find a one winning product, it will basically pay off, and you don't need it every month. Like you just need to find few winning products and that's it. So I think it's a good deal. You'll get a special link in the description. You can support me by using that link, getting this tool. Let me know like how it goes, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a great time.